For the next one is Abby. Okay, Nika kayo amoy backward. Backward bibigyan. Okay, hello. Thank you so much. Come on, dance. And for the next one is Ken Sedgwick. Of course, for the last but not the least, everybody clap your hands for Deo. Yes, okay, yan.
Bailan ka na lang po. Sino?
Yes, very good. Okay,
Ito, bailan ka na lang.
Sit down, sit down, sit down.
Diretso na yun.
Di ba yung pakatong ko yun?
Galing yun.
Okay, thank you so much. And for this time, lahat ng kids natin, come on, go back here. Okay, and for our next 7 program, get ready po to all the participants of our 7 Blue Bills. Mostly po rito mga Ninong and Ninang. So, for the first one, Ninong Henry.